So here is your assignment for today. If you haven't finished your academic and personal goal from yesterday, then you will need to finish that before you can go on. So what you're looking at here, this worksheet, is a SWOT analysis of your goal. Now, a SWOT analysis is an acronym that stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. And it's a business strategy that basically evaluates the health or the ability for the business to thrive. And so we're going to apply that to your goal. So I'm going to run through this, and then you guys will be able to go ahead and work on that. So your academic goal right here, right? So, and you're going to be doing this for your academic and personal goal. Your academic goal would be, I would like to get above a 90% in every class by the last report card, okay? So we've already done the SMART goal. We know this is a SMART goal. It has to be a SMART goal first, okay? And that's also very important, and I'll mention it again, but when you turn this in, if it's not something that I can tangibly find all the pieces to the SMART acronym, then you're going to get points off. So, what are some strengths? What are some strengths? I have a strong desire to achieve my goal. That's a strength, right? Strength is something that is going to help you achieve your goal. Well, what's another strength? You are driven. So another strength to achieve that is that I am already at 85% in every class. So those are two strengths, right? You have a strong desire to achieve your goal, okay, and you're already at 85% in every class. Those are two strengths to help you achieve your goal. Okay, well, now what are some weaknesses? Well, let's see. We have basketball coming up. And basketball is my favorite sport, let's say, and I know that's going to be my focus. So when my focus is somewhere else, it's going to take away from me achieving my goal. So that would be a weakness. Okay, actually that would be more of a threat. Let's back that up. Let's take that down to threat. Basketball season is coming. That would be a threat, right? That would be a threat to you achieving your goal. Okay. A weakness would be math is a struggle and it's only getting harder. Okay. And another weakness you might have was, let's see if I can get this here. Another weakness might be let's see here. I struggle to pay attention in math. So not only is it getting harder, you know that you're struggling to pay attention to math anyways. So what are our opportunities? Those are weaknesses. Now what are our opportunities? There are many grades coming up. What other opportunities would there be? Well, another opportunity would be may be I want to show my responsibility balancing sports and school. That's an opportunity, right? Maybe that's something that you and your parents have talked about, balancing the two of them. What would be another threat? Basketball season is coming. Another threat would be is we are going on vacation before finals. Maybe you already know you're going on vacation before finals and you're not going to be here. Okay? So you're not going to be here the week before finals. Well, you have one less week. Okay? So that is called a SWOT analysis. So we're looking at your goal, and we're really analyzing what you're going to be looking at when you're trying to achieve your goal. So you're going to do this. You're going to write down from yesterday your goal that you have, your SMART goal that you have finished in your lead-worthy book. You're going to copy your academic one here, your personal one here, and then you're going to take your time, discuss with your group. You're going to discuss your strengths, your weaknesses, your opportunities, and your threats to your goal. And some of you may realize that these goals might be a lot harder than you anticipate. Okay? So, that will be it, and you will turn this in at the end of class. Okay? Good luck, guys.